is an audiobook of Interchange English, Grammar and Composition of Class 9. Chapter 25, page number 256, Interpreting Charts and Diagrams. Look at the following pie chart and read its description. SLC result 2070 Bikram Sambat 2014 AD. Total appeared 3,94933, 3,94,933. Total passed 1,73,436. Pass percentage 43.92. Distinction 18,110. First division 83,637. Second division 67,942. Third division 3,747. The pie chart shows the grade obtained by the passed students in the SOC examination in 2014. The number of the passed students this year is 1,73,436, which is almost 43.92% of the total student appeared in the SLC exam. The first paragraph often says what type of chart it is and what it is about. Second paragraph, every year the passed students in the SLC exam are categorized under 4 different grades. In 2014, more than half of the students, 17.20%, passed in the second division, and about 21.17% of them passed in the first division. Similarly, the number of the students who obtain the third division is 3,747, that accounts for 0.94%. Likewise, the number of students passed in the first division with this distinction is 18,110. The second paragraph generally describes each section of chart. Third paragraph, in general, we can say that the SLC result in 2070 is not satisfactory. The last paragraph gives an overall view of what the chart is about with your opinion. Look at the chart below about the number of students in civil and electronic engineering among Nepalese students. The chart shows that in 1980, the number of students in electronic engineering was more than those in civil engineering. According to the chart, the number of students who was interested in electronic engineering increased from 125 in 1980 to 225 in 1985, while the students in civil engineering steadily increased from 80 to 150. According to the chart, both the students in electronics engineering and civil engineering show upward trend. The chart shows in 1995, the students in electronic engineering reached more than 300 and 250 in civil engineering. The graph indicates the popularity of electronic engineering among students was growing than in civil engineering. Some tips on interpreting chart and diagrams. A. The introduction. The first paragraph should describe the purpose of the report. Write what the graph is about, its date and location, and say what overall trends or patterns you observe. For example, if the graph is climbing up or dropping down, you should mention that. Do not go into any detail at this stage. Be careful about the tense you choose to use. Be consistent, and if you are writing about a past time period, stick to the past tense throughout the report. B. The body. This should describe the most important trends with all the information summarized to avoid unnecessary details. As a general rule, you should look for large differences first. Try to find some aspect that is significantly larger than another and one that is much smaller and fewer than another. Then find an aspect that is constant or two that are similar. That is enough. The number of paragraphs depends on the number of distinctive features your graph or chart has. There should be one paragraph for each. You should link the paragraph by sentences that logically connects them to one another. It is essential that you write about all the periods of time and all subjects of graph. If it shows several years, 1992, 1993, 1994, refer to all of them. If it is about boys and girls, write about both. Remember, summarizing does not mean throwing away information. The secret here is to select what is important, organize it, and compare and contrast. Number C, the conclusion. The last paragraph should sum up the global trends shown on the figure and make a comparison if possible. You do not need to make any kind of personal observation or response, nor extrapolate from the data given. Just keep to the facts. Lot H, 2013, p. 358. Phrase to describe chart and diagrams. The pie chart is about ... The bar chart deals with ... Please continue after that whenever you are describing. The line graph dearly shows ... The slices of the pie chart compare the ... The chart is divided into ... parts. It highlights ... has the largest number of ... has the largest, second largest number of ... is as big as ... is as twice sorry, I'll repeat that. Is twice as big as ... is bigger than ... more than ... percent ... only 1/3 ... less than half ... the number ... increases or goes up or grows by ... the number ... decreases, goes down or sinks by ... the number ... does not change or remains stable. I was really surprised or shocked by the ... so we can say ... Show what you know. Page number 259. A. Look at the following charts and diagrams and interpret them. Number 1. Tourist arrival in Nepal by type 2007. So the percentage is from 0 to 100, and types are holiday or pleasure, trekking and mountaineering, business, pilgrimage, official, conference, rafting, others not specified. Okay. Number 2. Also, it's a pie chart, and the categories are Brahman or Kshetri, hill, Brahman or Kshetri, Tarai, Tarai middle caste, Dalits, hill, Dalits, Tarai, Newar, Janajati is hill, Janajati, Tarai, Muslims, others. The color in the pie chart is not very clear for me to explain, but the percentages are 30.9%, 1.9%, 12.9%, 7.1%, 4.7%, 5.5%, 23.0%, 8.7%, 4.3%, 1.0%. Sorry about not being able to explain in regards to the color. Number 3, rainfall in Nepal, and this is a bar graph, and on the there is month and millimeter. A month is from January to December, and millimeter is from 0 to 350. January it's 50 millimeter, February it's probably 10, and March it's probably 15, April probably 5, and May it's 150, June it's probably 140, July it's 325, August is 200, September is 190, October is 40, November and December none. Number 4, population of Six Vdc of Kathmandu. So village development committee, there are Dhapasi, Futung, Goldunga, Gongubu, Kapan and Manamaizu, and the y-axis have 0 to 12 multiplied by 1000, and male female. So Tapasi had 6,000 males and probably 5,000 female. Futung has around I think it's probably 1900 male and female. It's not very clear in the picture. Goldunga has around 3,500 males and females. Kongobu has 15,000, not 15,000, 11,000 male and 9,000 female. Kopan has 8,000 male and 7,000 female. Manamaizu has 5,000 male and 4,500 female. Number B. Describe the following pie chart that shows the marks obtained by Navina Rai in the SLC exam. English, Math, Nepali, Science, Social Study, HPE, Accounts, and Math 2. I think English is 55, Math is 85, Nepali is 75, Science 65, Social Study 50, HPE 70, Accounts 75, Maths 55. Math 2 55. C. Study the graph below that shows the changes in the number of the reader or national newspaper. In paragraph, interpret the given information. The years are 1966, 1972, 1978, 1984, 1990, and number of readers in lakhs from 0 to 16 lakh. And unfortunately, I will not be able to explain the graph here. I'm very sorry about that. Number D. Study the following table and explain how Mr. Gyawali utilized his annual income. Topics. And there's 2067 and 2068 Bikram Sambat. Food in 2067 25%, 2068 30%. Clothes 10% in 2067, 10% in 2068. Education 5% 2067 Bikram Sambat, 10% 2068 Bikram Sambat. Health 10% 2067 Bikram Sambat, 5% 2067 Bikram Sambat. Entertainment 10% 2067 Bikram Sambat, 15% 2068 Bikram Sambat. Saving 40% 2067 Bikram Sambat, 30% 2068 Bikram Sambat. With this, at page number 260, chapter number 25 had ended.